How to integrate PayPal with Shopify. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to integrate PayPal with Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive into our Google account. Type in Shopify. So here, let's go to Shopify, log in. Logging into your Shopify account, go to the admin part. And by the way guys, PayPal is a widely used and trusted online payment solution, and integrating it with your Shopify store can offer you customers a convenient and secure payment option. So let's click on our store. By the way guys, this is just for tutorial purposes only. This is not an actual store. This is used just for integrating applications to your Shopify and show you how we can do this together. So here, let's go and to our left side right here for the apps. So once you click on apps right here, recommended apps, and here click on Shopify App Store. And let's just wait for this to load. And while it loads guys, allowing you to accept PayPal payments and streamline your checkout process. If you're ready to enhance this, let's integrate this together. So let's wait for this to reload. And right here at the search bar, let's search for PayPal. So here, click on PayPal. Once you've clicked on PayPal, let's find an app so that we can connect it to that. So here, Shopify PayPal tracking synchronization. So here, let's click on this one. Click on Add App. Once you've clicked Add App, it will redirect you back to your Shopify store. So here, let's click on Install App. So once you've installed this application, Shopify will load, and here, this is your next bill using Shopify account, but this is not for free. You have to pay with this via credit card or your PayPal. Once you've activated this subscription on your Shopify store, it will automatically sync the payment with your Shopify and your PayPal account together in one go. So once the customer ordered from you and used PayPal as their payment method, it can now reflect and connected with your PayPal account, so that you have to connect your PayPal account to your Shopify store. And that's it guys on our tutorial on how to integrate PayPal with Shopify. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to successfully connect PayPal to your Shopify store. And guys, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave the comments down below. And we hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Remember those steps, and we will see you on the next video.